What's up guys, I'm RedemptionGabe, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce your ping in 3 ways for 2021 without needing to spend a fortune on your internet package. In a while back in 2019 when I started this channel, I made a video, and this was back when I was using Windows Movie Maker on how to reduce your ping in 3 ways, but that was a bit too outdated. It was made using Windows Movie Maker or some other editing software because it didn't have an Adobe Premiere subscription at that time, and I couldn't get a package at that time. But now that I'm editing this video with Adobe Premiere, it looks a lot more better, more professional. But anyways, if you do not know what ping is, I'll explain it to you in one simple oddball term. Ping is the network translation in between where you and the server can communicate without it delaying. So the higher your ping is, the longer it takes for your network to communicate. So that's how your ping works. The lower your ping is, the faster it goes for your network to serve you and for other people to communicate with. That's why we have the ping limiter and the ping meter for a reason, so you can see how much ping you're using and things like that. Now, before I get started to the 3 ways to reduce your ping, now let's go into the reasons why you're going to be having high ping, into the reason what contributes to high ping, and that's going to start right now. Alright, method number 1 is, if you obviously have Ethernet cable, is you can obviously connect an Ethernet cable that will obviously help you reduce your ping in the long run. Now, if that does not help, you can try moving your modem or whatever you use to connect to the internet to the closest location as possible. That might help with any interference you have or whatever the devices you have connected to the network. Now, if you have any interfering devices, that could be the reason why you have slow internet, and worst case scenario, high ping, which is what we're talking about in this video. Optimize your streaming when playing your games. If you're playing an online game such as Overwatch, you have to make sure your bitrate is fully optimized, and always run a speed test to make sure you can set the right bitrate, or otherwise, if you put whatever bitrate you can think of, it could chug off your ping to an unreasonable amount, and that can cause hitching, randomly, your game randomly disconnecting, whether you're on Wi-Fi or Ethernet. It's pretty nasty, as I see. So the best way to avoid this is always using the best possible settings that your encoder provides you if you are streaming onto any service that you're thinking about. So best, if that does not help, you may have to stream 720p, which is very obsolete for YouTube, or try streaming on any setting that you feel it's okay for you. Here comes method number 3. Worst case scenario, your system might be infected with what's called malware. So malware is a form of malicious software or any form of program that is designed to change the code of your operating system so your system can't run correctly. So if you have any malware on your computer and you can't use your computer like correctly, you may have to take it to someone that can fix it. If you know how to remove viruses, you can download Malwarebytes or any of that sort of kind, and you can try to remove anything that's badly infected. Other than that, you may have to stop using the computer and take it to someone that knows how to remove it, or otherwise deep crap. So anyways, I hope this helped you out. I'm RedemptionGabe, helping you out with my latest videos, and peace out.